Hi everyone, so we're going to continue with factors that influence child testimonies. So we said the three main factors that influence child testimonies was encoding, storage, and retrieval. And that you can see from my last video of factors that influence child testimonies. Now we are going to continue with this idea, and we are going to go to issues that affect child witness testimonies. Other issues. The first thing we want to know is that it is possible to construct false memories that did not occur, even with a single interview, and this is with a biased interviewer. So, false memories given a biased interview can affect child witness testimonies, making them less accurate because of the biased interview, which led to a recollection of a false belief, which meant it actually became a false memory. The thing we need to ask ourselves is, what are some other issues? So about when do children when do children start to lie? We know children lie, but when is the time that children start to lie? Well, this is approximately 3 years old. Okay, so approximately 3 years old, this is when children start to tell lies. And the thing about this stage is that they don't actually know that a lie is bad. So, okay, so another thing that we want to talk about is the consistency of lies during a statement that happens. So when do these kids follow up with their lies? Well, this seems to happen around 6 to 7 years old. Okay. The next thing we want to approach is, when do kids believe that lying is bad? This happens approximately 5 years old. Now, just to reiterate, so really, this should come before it. So here. So, really the timeline is that they begin to lie at about 3 years old. They learn that lying is bad around 5 years old. And the consistency in their lies happen between 6 to 7 years old. However, during this time period, there's between the ages of 3 and 7, children can be influenced by promise to tell the truth. So this increases the honesty and also increases the accuracy of what the child is saying. So this happens between 3 and 7 years old. So I'm just going to put it right below this. So that is really all we had to talk about today. We went over some of the other issues that can affect child witness testimonies. We mentioned false memories from a biased interviewer can actually influence the accuracy of a child testimony. We also described when lying occurs, when children are influenced by the truth, when they realize it's bad, and when they learn how to be consistently detailed with their lies. Okay, I hope that helped, and have a nice day.